What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh, the Pez guy here on the Pez Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, this is a very easy question to answer, but it takes a lot of words to answer it. It has nothing to do with the ducks, though. It's just ducks on the pond, hanging out. Why do I do these? Why do I do these videos? Why, Geraldine? Why? So people can be informed. I used to work in sales. When I would work in sales, I found it's really hard to sell somebody something they don't know anything about. So if you inform and educate your consumer, they will know what it is they're buying. There are so many people that I talk to about their Pez collection. Yes, Josh, I have been collecting Pez since 1998. I know nothing about my collection. And then I go in and I point out things that they don't know they have in their collection. Look at your Popeyes that you have. Do any of them have metal pin hinge on them? If you don't know what a metal pin hinge is, please check out that video. Again, educate, inform. That is what I am here for. I am not an expert. There are so many people who I say, hey, if you could know anything about Pez, what is it you want to know? And some people cannot give me an answer. And that's cool. I mean, I certainly understand. I at one time thought I knew everything. But then I read the old adage, what is believed one day is often challenged by a discovery made the following day. Yeah. So when you see stuff and you're like, wow, that's really cool. Is it? Or is it somebody trying to make a buck? So that's what we're all about. Informing and educating. That's why this channel is called The Pez Book. They always say, hey, the book has more information than anything. That's right. The Pez Book in video form, where I can show you the differences in Pez dispensers. And I can say, hey, do you know what the difference is between partial and full cheeks? And your answer will be yes. Austria and Hong Kong, Josh. Not just the little bit of plastic right in through there, or in through there. Inform and educate. That's what I'm here for. So down below, those questions, comments, concerns, those mean something to me. I don't care about notifications. I don't care about subscriptions. I want to know how I can help you, the Pez collector. Because I'm not a Pez collector. I'm a Pez moron. I don't know anything about Pez. But Geraldine does. Geraldine was recently on eBay and she bought herself a new hat. Can't wait to see her new hat. Pelican doesn't like his hat. Not at all. So until next time, knowledge